Samuel Leeds.
And I'm Amanda.
And this is
our second home, guys.
This is our second home. So you might be thinking, what do you mean your second home? Well, we're going to be explaining on a house tour. So should we walk them around? Yeah, show them what's what. This is a beautiful home in Beaconsfield. We've had this place now for about 12 months. So we're going to walk you around, show you around the gardens, show you the inside, the interiors, and also explain to you why we have more than one house. So let's go. So first question, and the thing that people are going to really want to know is, Amanda, why do we have more than one house? We actually rent another one as well. It's open, yes it is. We rent another one just down the road. Why do we have so many houses?
Well, we have different houses because...
Different children in different houses. Hello! Are you looking after the place? Yes, she is. All right, let's go through and see what we think. The reason we have different houses is because... Hello! You'll find out in a minute. Okay, so this is the, what did you call this room? The foyer?
The foyer, the entrance.
The foyer, the entrance. You know that you're doing well when the foyer to your house is bigger than the living room of the house you grew up in. That's when you know you're doing well.
Hey, kiddies.
Hello. How are you guys doing? Do you like it here? Yeah. Question. Which house do you love more? This house or the other house? This house. Oh, yeah! But we just bought the other house, Ruby. What about you, Luke? Do you prefer this house or the other house? Yeah, my man. £3 million well spent. There we go. So yeah, this is the garden. This is the back garden. Beautiful. I like the fact that we always like houses where the garden circles the house, right?
Yeah, when you can walk around the house. We love that. It's just a nice...
Big. You know what I love as well? I love the fact that all you can see is fields, but you can't even see them because the trees are kind of blocking them. Complete privacy. If you can't dance around naked in your back garden, then it is not private enough.
Samuel's naked a lot at home.
Oh, oi. Hot tub, I'll tell you something, a fact about this hot tub. We've never been in it.
No, we haven't.
And we haven't been in our swim spa at the other house for 6 months.
I know.
Try and drag her in. We agreed. It was like a £30,000 swim spa. And what was the agreement when we bought the swim spa?
That any time Samuel asked me to go in, I'd have to say yeah.
Because she was like, I want to buy this swim spa. I was like, it's 30 grand, baby. You're gonna need, if we're going to spend 30 grand, you need to go in it whenever I say. And she's like, got it. Do you go in whenever I say?
Not all the time.
No.
I do love it. I do. But sometimes he'll ask me at like 10 o'clock at night and it's like, do I really want to get out of bed?
Because, well, we are a sucker for palm trees. We just got some new palm trees. Check out this, man. So nice. I love it.
Feels like we're on holiday all over again.
I know. Our whole life just feels like a holiday.
I love that this house has this like annex bit over the garage.
Yes.
Because, you know.
So handy.
That's the only thing I feel like it has over our house.
Nanny, cleaners, guests.
Yeah.
Outside, separate house.
I know.
So you got like what, triple garage, and this upstairs is just like basically a big bedroom. Yeah. It's not really worth going up. It's nothing fancy. We are trying to get planning permission at the moment, aren't we?
We are, yes.
Struggling. Planning's a bitch.
Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised though, but yeah.
So what are we trying to do at our other house?
So we're trying to add an annex above our garage.
Because we have a double garage.
We have a double garage,
and we're trying to get planning permission to just basically do this.
Yeah.
But because there's a listed building not too far,
it's been a bit of a pain, but it will add so much value to the house.
If we don't manage to turn it into an annex, we're going to keep it as it is and turn it into a recording studio for videos. So like this. I love the views as well, man.
I know.
Those fields, it's just great.
It is gorgeous.
Those trees don't even look real, do they?
It looks like a painting, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
So picturesque.
It's nice coming here. We don't come here all the time. We just kind of come here sometimes. But what are you thinking? You like it?
I absolutely love it. I love this entrance area.
Oh, wow. Hello, matey.
Wow, Mummy's in demand.
Wow, busy. Hey, beautiful, come to daddy. 1, 2, 3, woo! She don't want daddy. Everyone wants a bit of mama. Okay, come on then. Wow. Oh. Anyway, this is the lounge. Welcome, folks. And we have not even finished like even half of downstairs. We've got a games room. What do you call this room?
It's like a snug cinema.
Cinema's pushing it. Cinema's pushing it.
I mean, you know, there's a projector, there's a screen.
We do watch movies here sometimes. A prayer room, a little office room. This was going to be an office, but I just didn't need it because I don't really, my work isn't really office-y, is it?
No.
My office is my car, you know, when I'm out on the road.
Wherever you are.
So we'll take you to the games room.
The games room's pretty cool. It's just nice, like when you're entertaining, when you have people
yeah.
over. Like even during the parties, some people will break off into here.
First person.
Go on, show us your...
First person to pot a ball wins.
I must say I'm not good at snooker.
Is it your disclaimer?
Yeah.
Oh. You'll go. I've set you right up, man. I can tell just by the way you're holding it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh!
I don't hang in here that much, okay?
I thought that was going to go in as well.
Wow.
Oh yes. When I was 16 years old, my job was I used to clean snooker tables. I used to get paid £30 a week. Did you know this?
Yeah, I know.
£30 a week, and I used to have to go in every day for 2 hours. Wow. £30 a week, which is 30, 60, £120 a month. Damn, that wouldn't even cover the electricity on this house. In fact,
Barely. Barely.
but anyway, now instead of cleaning it, Mandy cleans it for free. Right, let's go.
The kitchen's really nice. It's so light and bright. There's windows on every wall in the kitchen, which is quite nice.
Believe it or not though, the thing that costs more than anything is having like furniture in different places. Like this, the furniture is expensive. Okay, why don't you tell them? Because some people might be thinking, why the heck do you have multiple houses? So what was the initial reason that we took this house? Because we rent this house.
Yeah, we rent this house.
Why did we rent this house?
Initially what happened was we were in the process of buying our house and we didn't know if it was going to go through or, you know.
We got such a good deal on the house. Okay, we were buying it for $3 million, but we were thinking, the seller might pull out.
Yeah.
If the seller pulls out, not only will we have lost the house, but we're going to struggle. It's hard to rent mansions.
Yeah,
There's not many mansions like this for rent. No. So we were thinking, let's rent this place as a backup.
Our just in case house.
Yeah, our just in case house.
Yeah.
But then when our house completed, we liked it so much. You know, we stayed here and we just use it for meetings. I run a lot of events. We have get-togethers with our academy students and drinks and gatherings. And it's just a nice, because when you've got like kids at home and stuff.
I know it's not ideal, is it?
No, it's not ideal just having one address.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's nice, but I love this. So, upstairs, man, this is 3 stories. We have a total of how many bedrooms?
I think 6 bedrooms.
You think 6?
Don't quote me on
Depends what you include as a bedroom. We've only had the house a year. I mean, how are we supposed to know how many bedrooms it's got? So these are the rooms, double rooms. Every room's double. Every room's ensuite.
Yeah.
Every room's got a beautiful view. This is normally where the kids stay. It's not really like a home. Like, we don't stay here that often. We like our house. We come here quite a bit, but we don't normally sleep here, do we?
No, we don't.
And when we're not here, we're either, if I'm working here, or we're running an event, or we're renting it out to our staff or whoever. Our room, do you want to show them our room?
Oh, the master bedroom.
This room is killer. Like,
Nice.
Oh my goodness. We've never shown this room ever before to anyone.
So here we are, living space, amazing, amazing.
We don't need to leave this room. That's why we don't know how many bedrooms there are, because we just stay in here. The kitchen, the games room, and this room, that's all you need in a house. So yeah, nice seating area.
Nice seating area, and then you've obviously got the bedroom space.
Yeah, nice and big.
Yep, the best part of the room.
Oh yeah, balcony, right.
This balcony here, you can't beat this.
This is the best. We sit out here often in the mornings. When we stay here, we just come out, have breakfast out here. We can literally check up on the kids through, what do you call this? A skyline, a skylight.
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 Yeah, really
whatever it's called, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful, man. The views as well.
It's just such a nice space.
Yeah, I love this. This is the best thing about the house.
It is, it is. Such a nice feature.
The bad part about where this house is, location-wise, you do get planes.
True.
Whereas where we live, no planes.
Yeah. That is true.
We were driving to this house the other day. We had an event on. I don't know if I told you this story, but there was quite a few cars, and they were sort of like blocking the road. And this really angry car came, beeping the horn, trying to get past. And we were like, sorry. Elliot jumps out, right? Elliot's my best friend. I'm his best man at his wedding coming up. Elliot jumps out the car. He's like, sorry. The guy's so angry, he gets out the car, right? He's like, come on, right? The guy who's shouting said, come on, is Russell Brand.
No way.
Russell Brand. Now, I didn't actually hear everything. I was in the house. I heard commotion. Everyone said to me, Russell Brand's losing his shit. Russell Brand is shouting. Right, I don't know. I'm sure Russell Brand was just being nice, but nudging everybody along.
Yeah.
But that's crazy. So there's a lot of celebrities living around this area. We're in Beaconsfield, and you know, the houses are all kind of like mansions. It's mansion galore. This house is worth probably 4 million.
Probably I'd say that, yeah.
The house we bought it for 3 million. If we get planning permission and we do the relevant extensions and develop it, if we get the balcony on and stuff that we're trying to get on, we're going to add value to that. That's why we didn't want to buy a house like this that's already completely ready. We wanted to add a bit of value. I think our house will probably be worth about 4 million.
Yeah, easy,
so
easily.
The houses here are expensive, but worth it. You wouldn't want to buy them and rent them out.
No.
What about our landlord? What was he thinking?
I know, I don't know. I guess they thought they were going to come back to the house.
The funny thing is, tell them about the landlord, where he ended up and what happened.
So our landlord lived in Singapore.
Who we love, by the way. If you're watching this, we love you.
They were great landlords.
They were.
And they were just going to go for like 2 years. So we were renting the house short term. And then on my birthday, we found out that they were going to be moving back to the UK. And we were thinking, oh no, but we love the house. We don't want to lose the house.
Yeah.
The house wasn't on the market. It was their family home that they bought literally just for them.
Grant Cardone said everything's for sale.
Yeah. So then we just put in our best offer and then they accepted it. And we were just like, yes. But then because we knew how amazing the house was and we thought they might pull out, that's why we ended up with this house.
But then they ended up moving into one of our other rental properties.
I know, yeah, how crazy is that?
So we're renting this other place. They must have been, and they said that they were getting loads of posts for us in another house. Yeah. So we just dominate this whole part of Buckinghamshire. We got 8 pieces of land around here that we're currently trying to get planning permission to build some houses. So Buckinghamshire, we love it. There's money to be made here. But you don't want to buy a house like this, especially not for investment purposes. You want to rent a place like this with the profits from the land developments and property investments you're doing. So love it. Bathroom's nice. Walk-in wardrobe. I'm not going to take you in the walk-in wardrobe because all you're going to see in there is what?
Samuel's polo shirts.
My polo shirts. No bling, no fancy stuff. You have like 1 or 2 nice bags, but nothing too fancy, but just my polo shirts, that's it. And then,
nice master bathroom.
Yeah. It's just so nice, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It's hard to go on holiday when you live in houses like this.
I know, because we always say when we travel, the hotel we stay in has to match or be way better than our bedroom at home. So it's quite hard usually because then we're so picky, aren't we?
Well, yeah, because if we're going on a holiday, we want it to be nicer than our normal home. But finding hotels that are nicer, because, you know, we have butlers that come down and cook for us here. Yeah. We have cleaners, we have a nanny. So going away on holiday to a hotel when you're in a small little room, like it's like, why are we even doing this?
It's not worth
in lockdown, we were loving it, man. We were just like, yes,
yeah,
3 houses.
Pretty happy, yeah.
But anyway, I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys like the house. and don't forget as well, like everything that we're showing you now, our whole lifestyle was built off of 10 years grit and hustle. So, you know, let it be an inspiration because, you know, I was cleaning snooker tables, like I said, you know, like 13 years ago. So we've done well. This baby's the brains behind the operation. Let's go.
So we've shown you 2 rooms,
yes.
And there's 2 more rooms here and here, and they're pretty similar to the first room that we showed you. Double rooms with an ensuite, so this room's pretty nice.
Oh yeah.
This room is like nice again.
Yeah, beautiful.
Big room, TV, got a little office area over there.
6th room here. So this is it, folks. This is the 6th room.
Yeah.
The views again, like you can just look out and see fields. You can look out of here, see our jacuzzi. Oh man, I love this house.
It is amazing.
Now, we're not going to be keeping this house for a much longer. We've just taken on a new contract from the same agent for another house down the road. The reason we didn't show this house tour sooner was because we just didn't, you know, we kind of like to keep a level of privacy. Yeah. So we didn't show this sooner, but as we've got another house now, maybe in a year or two we'll show that other house. But all I'll say is, it makes this house look rubbish. Boom! So yeah, you'll get that next year or the year after. Oh man. So, favourite thing about the house?
Favourite thing is definitely the balcony in the master bedroom.
Yeah, and for me, favourite thing, I love the look as well. When you come up, it just looks great. It feels like a dream.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching, guys. Comment down below which your favourite room was.
Yeah, what was your favourite bit? But also, don't forget, you want to rent a house or buy a house like this, it's all right to watch and to visualise, but you've got to put the work in. So if you want to find out how to invest in property smart so that you can afford your passive income to pay for a house like this, then you need to subscribe to the channel and watch more content in how we've actually built up our wealth. Would you agree, Amanda?
Yes, I agree.
You're the best wife in the world. You're the best family in the world. Should we say bye?
Bye.
See you next time.